Street band music is a counterculture to our modern digital age. It gets us on the streets, being joyful together, making music together. We're a charity bringing musical joy to the streets of Somerset. We create public events, festivals, we run workshops, and we inspire children and young people to make music. Street band music has many cultures within it. This year we had the Kinetica Blocko, who are the leading youth Afro-Caribbean band. We had Taunton Beats, the South Indian drumming band. In 2026, we've got a band coming over from Chile, so I think it's important that all these cultures mix up like in our Carnival Band project. We love to engage with community events. We did a lot of work with Carnival this year. We created a Carnival Band that played at Bridgwater Carnival. We wrote some new music, bringing joy to the streets. We love going into schools, and we did a project with young people called Street Beats, getting young people to form their own drumming bands and creating new music. It's great to inspire children and young people to make music, particularly in our music education today. We love to mix professional, amateur, young people and children playing together and learning together. We did a concert with my band Tongues of Fire, which plays its own street music. Another aspect of the Sound of the Streets work is advocating the importance of outdoor music making, showing that this is an old tradition, it's an important part of being human.